mock up an exhaust, weld up an exhaust for him on our old Landy. So we have obliged and said yes, we can do it. So this is what we've got to work with. You need a bit of pipe, old pipe, and that's about it. Basically what he wants is from the downpipe, so we're going to make up a downpipe and then a side exit. That's what he wants, so that's what he'll get. Got the MIG set up. Matty's cutting some pipe up at the minute. Not sure what you can see, but there's the part that comes off the turbo. So Matty's just chopping up the downpipe connector. So yeah, there's Matty cleaning up the downpipe bit. We're working with a bit of sketchy tooling today. Like we've got a old school grinder. The big grinder's out of action. So we're going to try and use what we've got to make it work. Yeah, nice. No, 1G.
600 horsepower motor. Watch this go.
Right, so we mocked the downpipe up. All seems good so far. Clearance is pretty much spot on. And then Matty's just having a go at finishing the welding.
Well done.
He's happier now, look. Now he's got to do something for him.
Yeah, it looks absolutely carcinogenic.
It's not too bad.
And nothing fits. That's round and that's oval.
Yeah.
Right, then anyway.
And action. Matty. Oh, on fire.
Burning oil out the fucking material, innit?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Nice! No hole. Show the camera how terrible all this material is that we've been given.
Yeah, we've tried cleaning that up as well, and there's just no hope. Right. So, there's the tip, and then I'll brighten it. Hopefully you can see up there. Alright, back on the Landy today. Gonna hopefully finish off this exhaust that we started the other day. So, I've got these couple of sections here that I believe are gonna fit onto here, and then work their way down that frame rail, and then have a little cheeky side exit with a silencer in the middle. Yeah. Right, so a rough mock-up is something like that. So it comes down, a couple of connecting pipes, silencer to the exit, and then we've got a little exhaust hanger to make a mount on the body somewhere, and then have a little rubber onto there. Should be good. So we're just gonna go through and start welding her up pretty much. Lovely. Big cuts, Matty. Boom. Alrighty then. Alright, there we go. Pipe finished. Down pipe. Down to side exit. So what we're going to do now is mount it to the car. We've got the gasket for the downpipe bit, so we're going to put it all on properly, see how it fits, have a quick look, and then make a little exhaust bracket near the back of it as well. So yeah. Right, so we had to lower it slightly So we've cut out a little slit, bent it down, re-welded it back up as it was touching, but that is now sorted. Little exhaust bracket on there as well. So yeah, the owner's just chopped the tip off to where he wanted it, which looks quite nice to be fair. And that's pretty much the job. We'll try and get a start up of it or something, or maybe he can do us a driving video or something. But yeah, that's it for now. And that's a wrap. So that is working lovely. Sounds nice. Nothing too crazy. It's just a old diesel Landy, and it's got a silencer. A little bit of turbo whistle going on. But yeah, another job complete.